Hey, in this video, I'm going to explain what is Catalyst by going through the Catalyst homepage. So, Catalyst is the modular liquidity engine. What that means is that Catalyst is a liquidity protocol that's built for the scale of the modular future. And so, the modular future is effectively a way for blockchains or rollups to really easily be spun up using a modular stack, whether it be a shared DA layer or a shared settlement layer. What that kind of results in is that there's going to be more and more chains that are going to be popping up in the future. And Catalyst is, again, lightweight and scalable enough to be deployed on all those chains and connect them all together and provide liquidity for all of them. And so that's why Catalyst, we call Catalyst the modular liquidity engine, and why kind of the value proposition is, users can get any asset on any chain via this native cross-chain swap primitive that Catalyst offers. So yeah, that's basically what Catalyst is in a nutshell. And so the main kind of unique selling point of Catalyst as a protocol is that it offers instant liquidity. And so it can be deployed on new chains such as Ethereum, Cosmos, and various rollups within those ecosystems like Optimism and Eclipse. And because it's deployed there basically immediately at launch, it can facilitate liquidity sourcing into the pools for those chains, and then you can perform cross-chain swaps for them. And so it's not a bridge, but it's a liquidity layer that facilitates cross-chain swaps. And if you want to go to the website, you can click Learn More and go to the documentation. And sorry, I skipped this, but you can also enter the app and try Catalyst from the landing page. And so, again, it's easy to deploy. As I kind of mentioned, it's extensible in the sense that it could be deployed on various chains and various virtual machine specifications. It's secure. It's been thoroughly audited, and the design is simple enough such that there are minimized attack vectors. It's open sourced. Catalyst is completely open sourced. You can go to the GitHub repo and see it, which is one of it's right here, and there's a couple other kind of social links if you want to go to the blog or the Twitter or the Discord. It's scalable. So from a liquidity sourcing perspective, you can scale linearly with the number of chains connected. And of course, swaps execute within seconds using solvers within the Catalyst network. And so, yeah, like I said, it's instant liquidity, connected chains in mere hours or even at this point, minutes instead of weeks. Effectively, how it works is that native assets are stored on vaults in each chain. So Catalyst deployed on each chain at launch, and then native assets are stored in the vaults. And then there is this novel primitive that we call unit of liquidity, but it's basically a cross-chain AMM that can coordinate the value between those assets within those vaults. And then effectively, these messages are verified and passed using arbitrary message bridges like Polymer, IBC, Hyperlane, Wormhole, or even Layer 0. And then there are solvers that basically provide fast liquidity for those chains, such that it doesn't even take a few minutes for these swaps to finalize, and only takes a few seconds. So yeah, that's basically Catalyst in a nutshell. Thank you.